In this problem, we're going to look and find the measure of angle R and find segment PR. So I'm going to concentrate just on the picture for right now. Notice that we have an isosceles triangle here because 5 centimeters on each side. So that tells me the base angles are the same. So in other words, angle P and angle R are going to be the same. So I can apply that and use my triangle angle sum theorem. That is, I know 60 degrees. I'm going to call it the angle PX plus X plus X equals 180. Well, minus 60 from both sides and combine the x's, and we get 2x equals 120. Divide by 2, x is 60. In other words, this is an equilateral triangle, isn't it? Since it's equilateral, I know it's also equiangular. Since all three angles are 60 degrees, that means all three sides are congruent, so PR is going to equal to 5 centimeters. And that's what you would do for problems like that. Let's take a look at example 3. Once again, I have an isosceles triangle here, don't I? Because we have side FE is 8y minus 5, and side DE is marked congruent. So I can use that fact to solve for y. I'm going to set those two sides equal to each other to solve for y. So I'm going to say 6y plus 3 equals to 8y minus 5. So let's subtract 6y from both sides. And we bring down the 3 equals 2y minus 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So 8 equals 2y. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 4. So we just found y. Now let's find x. Because I know this is an isosceles triangle, I know the base angles are congruent. In other words, I know angle D and angle E are the same. And notice, angle F is 4x minus 8, angle E is 4x minus 8, so angle D is 4x minus 8. In other words, not only is this an isosceles triangle, it's equilateral. So I'm going to, which means since it's equilateral, angle D is actually 60 degrees. So I can say 4x minus 8 must be equal to 60 degrees. We'll add 8 to both sides. 4x equals 68. Divide both sides by 4. So x is going to be 17. And that's how you would have solved problems that are similar to this one, just by using the properties. Remember, use properties not by how it looks.